Hi, today I'm going to show you how to assemble my teacup and saucer Favour box. The template for this box is on my Etsy shop and you'll find the link for that in the description below. Okay, to start with, once you've cut everything out, you need to fold all of the score lines. I'm using 220 GSM cardstock for this teacup and saucer box, but you can use anything 210 to 250 GSM. I'm also using double-sided cardstock, as both sides will show once the box is finished. So once all of those score lines are folded, you need to apply some glue to one of those larger tabs and the little tab that's just below it, and attach it to the next side. And do the same on the next tab. And you're going to do this for 5 of the 6 tabs. Okay, so that's the first 5 tabs glued. So the next thing you need to do is take the 2 handle pieces and glue them back to back so that the right sides are facing outwards. Then you're going to fold those 2 tabs down and glue those to the 6th side. You can then glue the remaining tabs into place. So for the saucer, again, begin by folding all of those score lines. So you've got the ones around the outside and the ones in the middle. Then you need to apply a little bit of glue just on that tab there and attach it to the other side. Then you're going to take one of those hexagons, apply some glue on the back and glue it to the saucer, covering those tabs in the middle. Then take the other hexagon, apply a little bit of glue on the other side and glue that to the base. And there it is, a teacup and saucer favour box.